Hi guys, welcome to Mommy's Toy Review. Today I'm here with my daughter Swastika and Sanvika and we are gonna review, guess what? We are gonna imitate somebody.
Ooh, what is imitate?
We are gonna pretend and play like boys. We are gonna get into action.
Ninja?
Yes, we are gonna get some ninja moves today. Yay! Let's get into stuff. Here we go. Look at the box. It's gigantic and it's such a big
It's
box.
so big that I'm not even seeing.
This is Dojo Battle and it says fight like a high-tech ninja.
Wow, I would love to be a ninja.
You wanna imitate like your cousin brothers and get into action?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
let's get started. Yeah. Here it goes. Such a big box and such a long sword. It's longer than you, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, I'll talk. Here are the swords and these are the vests where you wear and these are the pointers and you gain points on these. Yes? Play with your sword and touch the vest of the opponent and it blinks and the color changes from green to red. That's when it's like you have 1 point over the opponent. And you have to have 6 batteries and it doesn't come with a battery. Let's get
We're using
it
our Now we're all geared up. We're gonna have a high-tech dojo battle. Now I have to move. Now we're gonna have a high-tech dojo battle with some ninja moves. Let's get started. No, we lost the points. Oh, I did the point.
Try it with 2 hands.
No! You lost 1 whole point. No. Let's go. I lost 1 full point. Ready? I can touch you. Okay. And then I touch you 2 times. Stop. I touch you again. No, I touch you again. I touch you again.
A lot of fun and endless play.
Victory!
That's Dojo Battle and it is not only for boys, your girls can also play with it and it is a lot of endless ninja moves and action. Do subscribe for this channel, Mommy's Toy Review, and wait for more updates every now and then on all the toys that's coming in the market. Have fun and enjoy with your family. Thank you guys.
I touch you and I
There's so much of ninja action going on in the background. Thank you guys. Bye.